Uy, may bagong pasabog na naman si Vivo. And this is the all-new vivo Y100 4G. Itong phone na ito has a good design together with a photochromic appearance, 8 gigs of RAM and 256 GB of storage, 80 watts of fast charging together with 5,000 mAh of battery, 120 Hz of screen refresh rate with a AMOLED display. Best of all, ang kanyang audio, you can tune it up to 300%. All of those specs for below 14,000 pesos. Sulit nga ba? Pag-usapan natin. So guys, itong vivo Y100 4G na may 8 gigs of RAM and 256 GB of storage is priced currently at 13,999. And I'm pretty sure that this one would definitely go on sale sa kanang early bird rate. Pakita mo ka ng camera placement dito, looks very similar talaga sa A55. I know that the phone na yung cost at around mga 25,000 pesos, but you'll get it dito sa vivo Y100 at a lot lesser. And yung likod nito is matte finish, so definitely walang fingerprint smudges. And this one has a photochromic appearance. Yung alam wala ako UV light dito sa bahay, kung hindi pwede ko ilawan dito yung likod niya. It reacts to UV light in just 3 seconds. So kung makahiram ako ng UV light, papakita ko sa'yo in the future kung ano itsura niya pag nailawan ng UV light. So don't forget to follow me sa TikTok. Probably hindi ko lang masyado gusto dito sa gilid niya is very shiny. So definitely ang daming fingerprint smudges dito. And at this price point, itong kanyang fingerprint scanner is in-screen. Hindi na dito sa gilid. So ang kanyang form factor is good. Masarap siyang hawakan sa aking kamay. And yeah, wala akong problema. Though medyo a little bit edgy lang siya dito sa gilid. So itong phone na ito has two colors, breeze green tsaka crystal black. Hawak natin is the crystal black color. Now, itong phone na ito sports the legendary Snapdragon 685. Alam ko na medyo pinagsawaan nyo na yung kanyang processor, but it's inside here ng vivo Y100. Probably it's because the sobra na niyang optimized kaya ginamit pa rin niya dito sa Y100 ni Vivo. Now, checking some benchmarking, nakakuha naman siya ng 350,000 points dito sa Antutu benchmark. And ito ang breakdown score na makukuha natin. 138 ang kanyang loop score plus 96% ng stability dito sa Wildlife Extreme. Ito ang score na makukuha mo sa Geekbench sa CPU benchmarking. And ito naman sa GPU benchmarking. Okay naman kanyang thermals, throttle to 89% ng kanyang max performance. Now, the phone na ito has a industry standard na 5,000 mAh na battery. Nothing really impressive dito sa kanya dahil halos lahat naman ng phone naka 5,000. No? Probably if it's 6,000, it could have been better. But this one supports 80 watts na fast charging. Probably one of the rare few na makakuha ka ng ganong kataas sa charging at this price point. Normally, if you're paying below 15,000 pesos, normally makuha mo around mga 60 watts na charging. But ito, sinama na niya 80 watts na flash charge. So, charging from 0 to 100 takes around mga 45 minutes, siguro tapos na ito. Now, one of the things na masasabi ko sa inyo is makunat ang battery nito. This one can last you for 2 days without charging, and na-try ko siya for 2 weeks. I would say talaga, okay, makunat ang battery nito as long as you're using it. Normally, wala kang maging problema 2 days. Hindi mo kailangan mag-charge. And nung sinalang ko to sa PC Mark battery stress test, binigay siya na 15 hours and 12 minutes na screen on time. This is based on 50% brightness and 60 Hz na screen refresh rate. Now, the phone na ito has a 6.67-inch na AMOLED display with 120 Hz of screen refresh rate. And what's nice dito sa kanya is that ang maximum brightness is 1,200 nits, which means pag nasa ilalim ka ng araw, nakakabasa pa rin ako dito sa phone na ito. So one of the nice things dito sa kanya is hindi makapal ang kanyang bezels dito. Kahit sa ilalim sa chin niya, hindi rin makapal ang kanyang bezel. Probably not that thin, pero hindi siya makapal. And what's impressive din sa kanya dito is kanyang punch hole is not that big as well. So if you're the type of person na mahilig sa social media, itong phone na ito definitely would fit you. Kasi if you're browsing sa shorts or reels, itong phone na ito is definitely good. If you're browsing on Facebook, sa Twitter, or sa Instagram, okay na okay gamitin itong phone na ito. Dahil sa kanyang 120 Hz of screen refresh rate, swiping and scrolling is definitely smooth. Now, kung mahilig ka naman manood ng videos dito sa phone na ito, sa YouTube, sa Netflix, I would assure you na mag-enjoy ka dito dahil maganda naman ka ng colors dito, bright naman siya. And I would say na sa sobrang dami ko pinanood dito, okay naman. Matingkad na ka ng colors, punchy naman siya, and nag-enjoy naman ako together with my whole family. Now, since sinabi ni Vivo na itong volume niya can tune up to 300% ng kanang regular volume, try natin pakinggan kung masisira nga mga aking eardrums dito. So yun guys, yan, 300% na siya. Tara, subukan natin. Totoo nga, malakas nga talaga. It's more than your average mid-ranger na volume. Siguro kung yung average mid-range na volume is 100, this one siguro nasa 200% ng regular na mid-ranger. Malakas talaga siya. Now, tinry ko maglaro ng dalawang game dito, Call of Duty Mobile and Farlight 84. And these are the maximum graphical settings na ginamit natin. And before tayo mag-proceed sa gaming, pakita ko lang sa inyo itong ginamit ko na Thunder Robot na G45 Pro na gaming controller. So, pinair ko to sa vivo Y100 ko. So, nilaro ko siya together with Farlight 84. So, ganito itsura nyo. It's really nice and madali yung mga button niya dito. This is the home button and these are all of the other buttons na meron niya. Pati sa likod, meron siyang buttons din dito, dalawa, no? Playing Android, just set it to D. If you're playing iPhone, just set it to I. Nandito ka ng charging port, which is a Type-C port. And to turn on, long press ka lang dito, it would turn on. Mabilis lang siya mag-pair, guys. Yan, paired na siya. Now, playing Call of Duty Mobile, I would say okay siya. Yung kanyang graphics is just okay. Probably not the best na ma-experience mo. But a Snapdragon 685 can give you a decent gaming experience. Like mga games sa ML, PUBG, CODM, kayang-kaya niya. And the touch response is quite okay dito sa phone na ito. And I have no problem playing VR matches dito sa CODM. Okay naman siya. So pagdating naman sa Farlight 84, pinair ko siya together with the Thunder Robot G45 Pro. And it was giving me a good gaming experience. Honestly, I was surprised na masarap din pala maglaro ng Farlight 84 together with a game controller. But one thing I would assure you na kailangan mo muna masanay dito sa game controller nito bago ka makalayo sa games mo. So the gameplay was okay, not really the smoothest na experience ko sa Farlight 84. Medyo mid-level lang ka ng settings na pwede mo set dito sa Snapdragon 685. And the gameplay was okay. Probably, you might feel some frame drops along the way. And ang pinakamainit na achieve ko dito sa init ng phone na ito after playing for 1 hour is around 43 degrees Celsius. Now guys, pag-usapan na natin ang camera nito phone na ito. And this one starts with a 50MP na main camera sensor with a 2MP na bokeh sensor plus isang flicker sensor na nakasama niya. This one can shoot you up to 1080p and 30, which is a limitation ng Snapdragon 685. And ang kanyang harap is a 8MP na shooter which can also shoot you only up to 1080p and 30fps. So right now guys, silipin lang natin yung outdoor performance nitong camera ni vivo Y100. And starting with some outdoor shot, you'll see na okay, maganda naman mga shots makuha mo, no? On bright outdoors, this camera can definitely perform. Taking some shots like this, pag zoom in mo, makita mo there are some details dito sa flower na ito. And looking at this shot, ikita mo, no, ang ganda ng pagka-focus dito sa subject and yung likod ng background niya is okay lang. Hindi ganun kaganda nga ng background blur, but I would say just right enough. And looking at some cloud shots dito, I'm surprised na ang ganda ng mga details na na-preserve nyo dito, no? Very fluffy tingnan ang mga clouds dito. Looks really nice. Parang cotton. Now, if you're playing with yung kanang zoom lens, this is a 1x zoom and this is a 2x zoom shot. Makita mo, the color difference, medyo malayo Dito sa 1X, makita mo, yung sky niya is blue. Now, if you check this one, medyo nagiging blue-green a bit. So, medyo iba ang color niya. Kahit yung sa building, yung sa salamin niya, makita mo, iba ang pagka-blue niya dito. Now, if you take the camera to indoor, taking some product shots, itong pagka-capture dito sa DJI Avata 2, ang ganda, no? Yung details dito sa drone na ito looks really nice. Kahit i-zoom in mo dito sa gitna niya, sa core niya, mga tornado, kita mo yung hexagon screw niya dito. And even on this simple product shot ng Insta360 Go 3, it looks good. Magandang kanya pag-reproduce. So, kita mo yung separation between yung puti nitong camera niya and yung background din niya na puti. Now, going indoor na low light, makita mo tong shot na ito sa loob ng Nike store. I think, magandang pagka-reproduce dito sa shot na ito. And even dito sa shot ng basketball na ito, looks pretty good even on low light. Further taking some shots dito man sa Adidas, I would say, maganda rin pagka-reproduce dito sa mannequin na to, as well as this shot looks good. Itong color ng sapatos ito looks pretty good. I kinda like it. Maganda yung pagka-yellow niya, matingkad. Na pagdating na sa indoor, this is a 1x zoom and this is a 2x zoom shot. Makita mo, malinaw pa rin ang mga banner niya dito ng Milo. It's good. And nakipag-picture din ako with some of the characters from BTS dito sa Trinoma. Well, looks good naman tong picture na ito. Now, taking some full shot like this one, makita mo ang ganda ng pagka-picture dito sa ball dito. Pati ano niya, mga sahog na dito. Looks nice. Kahit i-zoom in mo siya, no? Makita mo pa rin kahit yung mga kunting mantika na dito. Very, very evident. Now, if you're going a bit dark indoor, tinurn on ko night mode dito, I was able to taking some shots like this and this one. Pati ito rin. Now, if you're taking some selfie shot using the front-facing camera, I would say magandang kanya pag-reproduce dito sa picture na ito. Looks nice and very sharp naman ang photo na ito on outdoors. And even this shot looks pretty nice and decent. And this is another good shot na nakuha ko rin from this camera. Now, if you're going indoor, kung medyo maganda naman lighting, maganda rin naman makukuha mo dito. But there are times it tends to go a little bit softer. Pag maganda naman lighting from indoor condition, I would say maganda makukuha mo dito using its front-facing camera. Now, here are the maximum settings na pwede mo set dito sa kanyang front-facing camera and sa kanyang rear camera para sa video. Both is at 1080p and 30fps. And now, using the front-facing camera to take this vlog, I would say not bad ang kanyang front-facing camera, except that you'll feel na a little bit shaky yung kanyang output. But overall, the resolution, it's not so bad. Using the rear camera, taking a 1080p video, I would say na okay naman, smooth naman tong video na ito. Probably the only limitation na masasabi ko dito sa kanyang camera is just yung 1080p and 30fps. If this was a 1080p and 60, could have been better. But yun lang talaga limitation ng Snapdragon 685. Now guys, after playing with this phone for 2 weeks, ano masasabi ko dito sa phone na ito? Sulit nga ba siya for $13,999? If you're the type of person na hindi into gaming, gusto mo magandang phone mo, magandang aesthetics, looks like a Samsung at a price which is way lesser than the A55, look no more. Itong phone na ito might probably be the one for you. Dahil ang itsura niya is really good looking and I like yung mga camera modules niya dito. It also has a good AMOLED display together with a good battery life. And probably one thing na nagustuhan ko dito is sobrang lakas ng kanyang loudspeaker. It's pretty good for music jamming. But if you're looking for a powerful na phone which can give you a good gaming experience, this might not be the phone for you. Pwede ka mag-opt sa vivo V30 or V30 Pro. Those two are way better pagdating sa gaming compared sa Y100. So if you guys are interested kung saan nyo pwede mabili itong phone na ito, I'll be linking all of the official link on the description below. So lahat ng nililink ko na links from Shopee, Lazada, and TikTok are from the official store ng Vivo. So if you like this video, don't forget to share it to your friends, and a subscription to this channel would definitely be awesome. I'll see you on my next one. And so, ako para si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.